When you get on your feet, the metabolic equation shifts. Standing burns 30% more calories than sitting. Hi, I'm Dr. Vonda Wright. Do you fidget a lot at work? Always jumping up to stretch your legs or confer with cube dwellers across the way? That's good for the bottom line, yours and your employer's. When researchers engineered more motion into the workday, not only did office staffers lose 8.5 pounds on average, but their productivity jumped 10% too. You can reap some of the same benefits by just standing up for 5 minutes every hour. Staying parked on your tush switches off crucial enzymes that play a large role in weight, waist size, and total health. When you get on your feet, the metabolic equation shifts. Standing burns 30% more calories than sitting. The health payback can be huge if you pace in place when you're on the phone or take lots of breaks to get some water or tea. You'll weigh less and have more heart-healthy HDL cholesterol. And your triglyceride levels, blood sugar, and blood pressure will be lower.